I looked over to my left and saw the four-wheel drive just careering out of control. It was a huge explosion, huge fireball. There was that much power behind it. It was just like a great big whoomp.
The whole building seemed to shake. Those people came out 5, 6 foot high off the ground. You'd see the gas rolling along the roof, igniting as it went.
By the time we got there, some of the people were still smoking. Yeah, bits falling off them. It was just stuff horror movies made, you know.
The community they just worked as a team.
Everyone came together in that moment.
It was an amazing effort.
Some good comes out of everything. And, hard to think something good's going to come out of this, but it will.
Ah, dear.